Welcome back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. You know, I teach you how to get these driving gigs, start your own driving courier business, turn that active income into passive income, and help you level up out the 9-to-5 rat race. We about that. And I'm back with another top 5. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, the top 5 couriers out of New York. I'm gonna do a top 5 plus one. You know, I give my channel subscribers and viewers a little extra sauce to help you get up out here and get to this money. All right, so in the previous video I did for Florida, kind of showed you how to find these courier gigs. A lot of states and a lot of countries, if you're an international viewer, has a national or state database of courier companies. Each state has their own acronym of what they called it. Now for New York, you see I got my do-rag on, my Tim's on, ready for this New York video. It's top 5 courier companies coming out of New York, but I don't know the exact acronym for the New York delivery courier organization, but they do have one. If I do find it, I will leave a link to that down in the description. I don't have it at the time of this recording, but let's get into it. No further time to delay. Let's get into the top 5 courier companies for you guys to partner with or work for coming out of the New York area. You know, New York is a small state in size, but a lot of people, a lot of surrounding states and areas that you can work in, you know, Philadelphia area, New Jersey area, Connecticut. But this one is strictly for New York and preferably, you know, the 5 boroughs. And I do have some in upstate, Buffalo and Albany. So they got, you know, spots all over for you guys to get to this money. We're going to hop in over to the computer. We're going to go over each of the 5 plus 1 of these couriers, kind of see how much they're paying, what they're looking for, and how soon you can get aboard with them. All right, so there's something you like, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, man. You know I'm here daily with this type of content that helps you guys financially and just in life. All right, let's hop on in. All right, we are inside the laptop. Courier companies coming out of NYC, son. I took the do-rag off, man. But look, RDS, same day delivery. That's the first one. This company is hiring for box trucks, vans, minivans, pickup trucks, kind of a large or type vehicles. You can contract with them, or if you don't have your vehicle, you can join them and start driving their vehicles and get some experience doing expedited van work, as well as over the road and local transportation. So you just come here, fill out the contact form, and they'll get right back with you. RDS delivery, like as always, here Be On Boss. I put the link to the companies down below. So like I said, they got van, freight, you got storage facilities, as well as a bunch of hosts of other things. Let's play around on their website a little bit more. Don't see anything about salary per se, but you know that if you want that, you can just go to Indeed, type in the company's name, and get a better adjustment, a better feel of what they're paying and the culture of the company. But RDS, same day delivery, is hiring in the New York area. Moving right along, Courier Service NYC is now partnered with Now Deliveries. So you just contact Now Deliveries out of New York, and you can get on with their team. Here's their address, email address here. Everything is on their website, contact forms. Most have, like, you know, forms directly to go and apply. This one doesn't, but I know they are looking for drivers. Some of the industries they serve: healthcare, retail, last mile, food and hospitality. Yep, there's a guy. But yeah, I would definitely send an email over to them. Let them know that you're trying to work, you're trying to drive, and get in with needed Now Deliveries. I actually did a longer video because they're all over the country. So I'm going to leave a link, look above, a link to that long form video to get more of an understanding about needed Now Deliveries. We're moving right along. Rochester, New York, Western New York area, Buffalo, Rochester. We got Air Dispatch. So this company is looking for drivers. You can call them or email them to get in the door a lot faster. Always submit online and then call or email with the follow-up. They get so many emails, so many people contact them every day. Show a little initiative, show a little, that you really want to work for them, and you get on a lot faster. So like I said, they got one in Buffalo, another one in Rochester. You can pull up on them. I pulled up on a couple of these companies and got hired right then. Especially if you got your van or box truck already. Pull up, say, hey, this is what I'm driving. I got the high roof. I'm looking to work. Let me go ahead and submit all my information, background, NVR if they need it. Show them your insurance coverage. They usually want full coverage. You don't have to have like super high insurance. Some want 100,000 comprehensive coverage. That's about it. So just make sure that you guys are providing, enough insurance. Can't just have liability. You got to have full coverage on your van or your automobile before you start doing this courier work. But this is Air Dispatch. Moving right along to the fourth one. Next we have LaserShip. These guys, they been bought out. They bought out On Track. On Track was one of the New York couriers, but like you see, they're in this upstate northeast area. LaserShip, definitely hearing the pay on LaserShip is not as high as most people would like. They're paying a little under $1 a mile for their deliveries, but they do keep you busy. They do keep you rolling. They do, you will constantly have work every day. We partner up with LaserShip. You have to go to a warehouse and in the morning pick up your packages and start delivering them. I see them in and out my neighborhoods here in Atlanta, as well as a couple other places. When I was actually out in Vegas, I saw LaserShip courier driving around making deliveries. So definitely they are in a lot of places. So definitely check out LaserShip. Even if you're not in New York, check them out. I'm pretty sure they have position in your area. And last but not least, here's the bonus one. American Expediting. It's called American Expediting for a reason. They're all over America. They need drivers very, very bad. They need drivers to do whatever they need delivered. Van, cars, box trucks, you name it. They got work for you. You can see how concentrated they are in the Northeast. Yeah, I'm here in Georgia. I get a lot of work from American Expediting as well. All you gotta do is come to the website, come on down to your city. Here's Buffalo, New York. Here's Connecticut, JFK Airport. So they got plenty of New York, Northeast area work for you guys. So definitely go ahead and get in American Expediting. And these are the top 5 plus one. Top 5 New York courier companies. All right, guys. All right, remember, always be on boss. Start from the bottom. Work your way up with these companies. These are partnerships. These are brand deals. You are working with them, not for them. So always remember that. Always negotiate your pay. Negotiate your hours. Negotiate everything you want. Make sure it fits in line with you, your budget, and what you're trying to make. All right, so then we're going to take this money and put it into passive income. All right, guys. Later. Be on both.